Puppet Show, The Lion and the Mouse. Hi children, we are going to see a puppet show. Are you all happy to see it? Yes, here we go. Once upon a time, there lived a lion and a mouse. I am the king of the jungle. Roar. One day after his meal, he was sleeping. The lion was sleeping. A little mouse was playing. The naughty little mouse jumped up and down on the lion, sleeping lion, and was happily playing. The lion woke up angrily. The lion caught the mouse and was about to eat the little mouse. The little mouse cried, "Oh king, please leave me, don't kill me. I will help you someday." The lion laughed at the mouse. "Ha ha ha ha! Get away from me, you little mouse, and don't see my face hereafter." "Okay, king, sorry. I will not see you hereafter." Few days later, as the lion was walking in the forest, the lion got caught in a net. The lion was struggling to come out. The lion shouted, "Help! Help! Save me! Save me!" But he could not come out. The hunters kept a trap for the lion. Now the mouse heard the lion's noise and it came running to the lion. The lion saw the mouse and cried out, "Save me! Oh, save me! Save me!" The mouse said to the lion, "Oh king, please wait, I'll help you." So saying, he started biting the net. The little mouse soon cut the net with its sharp teeth and set the lion free. The lion said, "Thank you so much, little mouse, for saving my life." The mouse too said, "Oh, thank you, O king, for saving me too." From that day, the lion and the mouse were best friends. Children, did you all enjoy the show? Good. Did you like the lion puppet and the mouse puppet? Yes. Hope you all enjoyed. Soon we will see in another session. Bye.